This is David with Btekt. Make sure that you're subscribed and smash the like button for me. And let's go. Honor had a few announcements to make last week at IFA and held quite a small event where Sam One talked about some of the newest products to be released in Europe. This included their new smart TV, the Honor Vision, the latest iteration of their fitness band, the Honor Band 5, and a new colour for the excellent Honor 20 Pro, Icelandic Frost.
And also a lot of overseas media ask me, Sam, when are you going to launch overseas? So today I bring this color to overseas. So please join me to have inspiration behind Icelandic Frost.
They also announced the availability of a new app exclusively for the Honor 20 Pro, which uses its AI abilities and advanced camera functions to help people with visual impairments through their everyday lives. They've teamed up with the charity RNIB and visually impaired YouTuber Ricky West, who runs the YouTube channel TechTalk UK, to help promote this new product.
Zoom in. Zoom in. Frozen. Recognized for young adults. The data is missing, but the transition to adulthood is often accompanied by various challenges related to study, work and housing, especially when dealing with disabilities.
I know Ricky personally, and he's a great guy who doesn't let his impairments stop him from achieving the things that he wants to do. As a fellow YouTuber, we're often at the same events, and I have to say, I have a lot of respect for this guy. This job can be hard enough at the best of times, yet despite his disabilities, he still manages to make it to these events and properly cover the products in the same way that a full-sighted person would. You have to hand it to him, he is consistently producing a visual medium for us to watch when he himself has trouble seeing.
My name's Ricky West. I'm a YouTuber and the founder of TechTalk UK, where I share the latest technology news and product reviews. I'm also visually impaired. I have tunnel vision in my right eye and only light perception in my left. Other types of visual impairments include the loss of central vision, blurred vision, and amblyopia. My role as a content creator keeps me busy, but having low vision often presents major challenges, especially when it comes to reading. This free, AI-enabled app exclusively for the Honor 20 Pro helps people with visual impairment read day-to-day text more clearly. The negative image mode has different color filters to enhance the contrast for a better viewing experience. Using the volume buttons and the 48-megapixel quad camera, you can zoom in on text to make it larger and less blurry. The text-to-sound mode, powered by Honor's high AI and optical character recognition technology, quickly and accurately converts text from letters, books, menus, and more.
The Honor Band 5 was also announced, which is an extremely affordable fitness tracker with an RRP of just under €30. But before we get into the details of that, I want to say a big thank you to Direct Mobiles. 24 years of award-winning customer service. Check in the video description below for their link or search directmobiles.co.uk. So for just under €30, you get a 0.95-inch AMOLED full-colour display with 282 pixels per inch, which isn't bad at all. Being an AMOLED display, we get very vibrant colours, and it shows good brightness with very good legibility under sunlight. It has a very slim form factor and the strap has loads of perforations, so it should be able to pretty much fit anybody, no matter how thin or thick their wrist might be. The Honor Band 5 has plenty of fitness features. Of course, there's a step tracker, which is always displayed underneath the time, and as well as including features from the Honor Band 4, such as the running, cycling and swimming tracker. It also has new fitness tracking modes, including rowing machine and cross-training. Upgrades have been made to the heart rate monitor as well, which Honor now claim is almost as good as a medical-grade chest-mounted heart rate monitor. And unlike other devices of this type, it uses invisible light to take its measurements rather than a flashing light, and therefore will not disturb you while you're sleeping. A problem that they found with previous Honor bands. There is even a feature that can measure your levels of hydration. New faces have been added to this version of the band. You will also be able to preview your messages, and it can be used as a timer or a stopwatch. I'm currently testing this one out, so stay tuned for the final verdict. But if fitness isn't really your thing, Honor also was showing off the Honor Vision Smart TV. The first TV from Huawei Honor, but also the first product from them that will use the HarmonyOS cross-platform operating system, Huawei's homegrown OS that they may have to rely on if they are unable to use Android in future devices. There will be two different models available, the Honor Vision and the Honor Vision Pro. The Pro version will have 2 gigs of RAM and come with 6 10-watt speakers and have a price of $650. A slightly cheaper version will have 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of storage and come with 4 10-watt speakers and will be priced around about $550. Both devices have a 4K screen and are designed for streaming video and even games. The image quality does seem to be very good, and the Pro version has a pop-up camera which is ideal for talking to family and friends, while still allowing you to have a degree of privacy, as similar products to this usually do not have a camera that can be hidden away. There's a total of 6 microphones inside the TV for video calling, but can also be used to pick up your voice for voice commands. A unique thing about these screens is the functionality that they have with Huawei Honor devices, allowing them to instantly connect and clone your phone onto the big screen. Although they didn't announce any new handsets, it was still a very interesting press conference from Honor, announcing some great new products, which as always with them, are very competitively priced. If you are visually impaired, then I really would recommend going to check out Ricky's TechTalk UK, as he almost uniquely for a YouTuber goes through the accessibility settings for devices in his reviews. I will leave a link to his channel in the description below. And that's it from me for today. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, then smash the like button, leave me a comment and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. My name's David. This is Btekt.